So, unironically, I get to say this now. I did some programming off camera, and now we're here. Except I've now just realized I'm a bit stupid. So, I decided to... I didn't do very much new programming. I just decided... new code. I just decided to move all the existing code into Scala 3. Which I thought, oh, it's probably going to have like a better inference system for things like implicits and that kind of thing. I've now just realized something really stupid that I probably should have realized when I was doing the porting. Scala 3 has compile time numbers. They come for free with the Xbox. I mean the standard library. I don't need all of this. So time to deprecate these. Alright, deprecated. I just realized I forgot to set the font to something sensible again. 1 second. I forgot to set the font to something sensible again. Whoops. Let's bring this over to 18, maybe? Yeah, looks good to me. Yeah, that's better. Scala 3 comes with compile time numbers. They're free with the standard library. I don't need all the stuff that I was using the other day because I have compile time numbers. They come for free with Scala 3. Hey, that rhymes. So let's get rid of this and start importing the good stuff. That being, let's see. Import scala.compiletime. Const value, and we also want import scala.comptime.ox.int everything. Just screw it, just everything. So now to see what does it offer me. Can I just straight up write -1? Oh, I can just straight up write -1. That is a thing I am allowed to do. What does this mean anyway? So val x equals, which is of type 1. Like, what does this mean exactly? What is x? Oh, x just straight up has of type 1. Okay. That would have been handy to know. Yeah. Yeah, that would be handy to know. Except now, how do I actually make it... How do I check if it's, greater than 0? Uh... uh... How do I make... is there a non-zero? I mean, I guess I could do a inequality, maybe? There's an equality check, surely. Oh, wait, it's type equality. I can just make it so that I have this, right? Using n not given n equals 0. I can just do that. I could have just done that. I don't need all these funny numerics. Let's just get rid of these for a second. So all these are kind of, so all these numerics are kind of useless. This numerics crap is useless, so I'm just gonna deprecate it. And everywhere where I do use numerics, let's grab our Scala utility classes. Hello, there they are. I really could have just done that the whole time. Like, that's messed up that I could have just done that the whole time. That's... Can I actually do -1 as a thing? Can I do that? Oh yeah, I can have something that has it has integer type of -1, just straight up. Oh wait, except now this is ambiguous. Awkward. That's, yeah, bitwise XOR. I think what I can use instead is, first let's get rid of this import, and then what I can do is to take this and rename it to double star. I think that's good enough. Exponentiation is right associative, isn't it? Hang on. Is exponentiation right associative? Yes, it is. Okay. So I'm gonna need to add a colon. Perfect. Can I do this? How do I enforce that there's a compile time int? Oh, it just works. Cool. Yeah, this is pain. Yeah, I'm gonna have to redo some of that. Couple events. And I think I can just straight up do like, just remove these using declarations and just straight up do, and instead of using nm, I can just straight up do stuff like n-1, right? Like n-1, I could just do that. Or not, because I forgot to uncomment these. That's not the right button. That's the right button. I can just straight up write n-1 and it just works. Yeah. And then I can just use const value. Here where I just write. I can just do that, right? Const value of n. Just completely remove the dependency on... N is not a constant... Okay, hang on, give me a minute. I have to figure this out. Okay, so it's not int. How do I do this, actually? No, it is int. Oh, no, I have to use value of. Yeah, there you go. No? Value of n is not a constant type. Is a given in... Value of n is not a constant type. Value of n is not a constant type. Huh. Of n, value is not a constant type. Scala 3. How to summon a constant implicitly value of 3. Wait, what? What makes this piece of code different? Is it because I'm just feeding it a straight generic? Or is it because n can be literally anything? Because n is not bound. Yeah, n is not bound here, so it's not like... Besides, this conversion isn't even true. I only just realized this conversion doesn't even work. Same exponent conversion doesn't even work, right? Centimeters to meters, does not mean... Oh, wait, no, it does, because I can just... This works overall, it's just not working. Oh, hang on. Oops. I can do this. Oh, whoops. What I'm looking for is I want to summon a value of n and then get value. Or not. No singleton value eligible type includes literals and stable paths. Stable paths. I need to look at the documentation. Hang on. No, Sigwin, get out of here. Value itself requires a value of being all build types. Decline a residue m int. But this is an int. Why won't you let me summon it? Wait, hang on. Can I get that? Can I get that? Ooh, hang on a minute. What is this? Inline def value of... Would it... Sure, I guess that works. It's not complaining. Except this is probably still complaining. Oh god. Both? Oh god. Give me a minute. I think I need a couple more. Expand x pos. Okay, because this is a basis implicit, right? So I should probably move these to over here. These are basis implicits without any basis givens, without any requirements. So if I move them there, maybe that'll help. All right, that's slow to update. So let's just hit compile here and see what happens. So we got both given instance G in machinery and given instance Y in machinery both summon Okay. No meter to mile. Okay, we're almost there. G and Y. Let's just move these as well then. Alright, let's just grab all these prefix derivations. Which would be 40 lines. Not 40 nights. And then sorry. And then move them here. I should also probably move this import. That probably would help. Probably should move these imports as well. That I'm not sure this comment sucks. It does not use newer. Let's move them up here. Because they're also another set of basis givens, I think. Oh, is that a different error message? Both given instance, hour to second, and me. What? Why are we using expand units? Huh? Wait, why the heck are we using expand units? That doesn't seem right. Let's make these lazy. So these are going to be lower priority. Oh. Cannot reduce summon from patterns. Okay. So we've gone all the way to here. So this is already better than this is already better than expected. Can I do this then? Let's do that instead, so that we instead of using it here, we instead try and fetch it up here. Maybe that will help. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Oh, it compiled. Let's go. Let's run it. Do we have any? Oh, I should have run it. No, wait. No, stop. Don't run it from there. Don't run it from there. Run it from here. Ah, dang it. Ah. So, wait. What? Why is this thing recursively calling itself? Oh, come on. Right. Fine. Where is it? Why are you recursively calling yourself? I know there's a way to do this. Hang on. So currently this is not doing... what's it called again? By name context parameters, that's what I need, I think. Context parameters can be declared by name to avoid a divergent implicit expansion. Okay, so we are reaching a problem where this is diverging. Let's try removing the lazy param. Maybe that'll help. No, we're still going down the wrong path. Why is it going into expand units? Let's make another one in between. See, trade low v extends low priority 0. Yeah, and then we just move these over here, and then we take the expand units stuff, move them in low priority 1. Same with you. You can also get out of here. And thank you, auto formatter. There's a lot of oh, wait. Oh, nope, we've still got the same problem. Why does it recursively call itself? Yeah, it keeps calling invert conversion, invert conversion. Why does it keep calling itself? Stop calling yourself. And things said with no context. Do I need to put invert conversion here? This is the annoying part of doing this, just having to constantly... No? Why does it keep calling itself? Why are you calling yourself? What happens if I remove this requirement? Why does that work all of a sudden? I'm not complaining, it works. Hey, I'm not complaining, it works. So the ones I did was 1 kilometer to meter is 1,000. Yep, 1e3. And then 1 meter to 1,600 meters to a mile is, yeah, it's close to a mile. So what if I take this number that I'm using here? So that would be 1609.34. This should give me a value of 1. Lovely. Nice. And now I don't even have to define multiplication because I am using Scala 3 now, so I have all of the multiplications I ever want. Which means I can take this numerics object and just chuck it in the bin because I don't need it anymore. So I think the other thing I wanted to do was another set of unit expansions. Oh yeah, I wanted to do I needed multiplication because I wanted to do bracket expansion, which is given expand units, expand brackets. So we have, I don't know what arguments we need. We'll probably need a, n, an n int, an m int. What the heck is happening here? Oh, right, yeah, I want to make a conversion from, if I have... Oh, no, this is another basis expansion, basis, because so I need to put it down here so things don't explode. Given expand brackets, we have a, n, which is an int, and m, which is also an int. We want to be able to define a conversion such that a, yeah, a to the power of m to the power of n, a to the power of n to the power of m, like so, is expanded into a to the power of n times m. And that's possible because I have, please don't break. What the heck did that just open? Wait, what? Huh? Oh, yeah, whoops, I forgot to do equals forward big decimal 1. Because that's an identity conversion. Nice. So now, let's see, can we convert meters per second squared? Can we convert meters per second squared into miles per hour per second? Can it do that? That's gonna take a while to update, so I'm just gonna run it. Ooh, it gets confused. Where does it get confused? Oh, God. Right mulconv and left mulconv in object mesh. Oh, God, that's annoying. Oh, I have to make one of them lower priority. Alright, I'll take the the right mole convert, the left mole conversion and move it up here. That should make it less confused. Nope, it's still confused. Both right molconv and a given instance molconv. Okay. Right, we're moving a couple more things upwards. This is the annoying part of dealing with implicits in Scala, is just juggling them constantly. You're gonna be an expert juggler by the end of this. Oh. Oh, it's not complaining. Oh. Maybe? Oh god, it's taking so long to derive. Oh no, I think I've bricked the compiler. Oh no, it's really chugging. It's really chugging. Come on, you can do it, compiler. You can do it. You can do it. Nope, I don't think it's doing it. No, I think the compiler's dead. Well, we're killing the process. The compiler has died. Can we get an F? Compiler dead. Compiler is kaput. Nothing I can do about that. Alright, time to kill the process. Give me a minute. Which one of these are you? Sorry, is it you? Or is it you? Okay, no, that's the compile server, so it's this one. Oh, no, there you go. It's finally killed. Compiler has died. Well, let's see what we can do about that. Let's... Clearly something is diverging, so let's put some laziness constraints on some of these then. Attempt number 2. Well, compiler died. Time to recompile. Okay, I've added some laziness constraints onto left and right multiply conversion. Does this work? Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Oh no, I've just realized I did something wrong. No, wait. Stop. 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 Nope. I just realized there's a typo. There's a typo. There's a typo. No, it's taking a while. Well, time to kill the process again. This is supposed to be this. There we go. That's better. I don't know how I've not managed to catch that. But, okay. Alright. Attempt number 3. Can this compilation work? Alright, Scala compiler. It's up to you now. Please don't die. Okay, 1 second. Guys, I think we have a problem. I don't think it's working. I think this might be too complex. Okay, kill it again. Let's get rid of these, right? maybe we don't even need this. Maybe we don't even need those. Maybe all we need is just multiply conversion and it's good enough. Maybe mulconv is good enough. Surely. 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 Right? Right? Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can compile. It's not compiling. Well, the compiler is going to hate me by the end of it. Let's see what happens if we just get rid of mulconv and just use left and right instead. And let's also get rid of... Let's get rid of those. Yeah, this is the problem with doing a lot of things in compile time. It's very easy to just kill the compiler if you're not careful. Alright, one more time. I forgot to clean. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it, Scala compiler. Come on, Scala compiler. You can do this. I believe in you. I believe in you. Come on. Oh no. I don't know where this is dying. I should probably add like some... it's dead again. Alright, let's also just kill that. Let's also kill the compile server for IntelliJ. Stop. Don't start up again. Okay, so I think we need to do a couple more things. Let's do... I think these are a couple things I need to do. This is probably something I'm gonna have to do. Because I think what's happening is that we are hitting wacky stuff. Wait, no, that doesn't make sense to put it here. Uh... I guess we need these as well up here and expand units. Let's plop and plop. Maybe that'll help. All right, attempt number. Let's also make this B2C lazy. How about that? Let's also make B2C lazy. How about that, huh? Come on, compile server. You can. Come on, compiler. You can do it. Well, that's better than the compiler crashing. What the hell is happening here? Wait. Oh. I've just realized something. Have you seen the error? I forgot to make it so that these only ever expand when they're above, when it's only above 1. I'm stupid. I need a proof that n is greater than 1. Because what is the point of expanding until you reach 0, -1, -2? And that doesn't even make any sense. Like, what's the point of expanding? Look, because if you see in the error logs, we've got meter times second times minus... Oh, wait, no. We just keep going. Wait. It just keeps going. Attempt number 5? Alright, what's it complaining about? Okay, now, let's try using mulconv. Let's introduce mulconv again. Let's see what happens. Hey! It works! Whoa! I forgot that I can't use that button. I have to run it from the shell. Dang it! Ah, I think I have to remove this constraint. I think that's what's causing it to die. Oh. Guys, I've killed the compiler again. God damn it. I've killed the compiler again. Let me see. Is there a way to do that? Too confusing. Well, I mean, I am working outside of the runtime. Confusion is kind of like a thing that happens in this scenario. I think I may have killed the compiler again. So, well, not that I've killed it, but it's hung because it's currently running an infinite process. So I'm just going to quickly kill the shell. Throw this out, start a new one. And now, before I do anything, I want to take a look at this and see if there's anything that I can change. Maybe I should get a couple of these in. Let's get these in. You have a good one, too. I assume you're not sticking around for very long. Let's see. Can you please work now? Let's see. Oh boy, not again. Yep, I see the RAM usage of the compile process just slowly increasing. It's just slowly creeping upwards. I am going to kill the process before it eats all my RAM. Let's make this lazy again. Let's make these lazy again. I think if I make both of them lazy, it might work. That is a big question mark, however. We're still hitting the same... Oh, wait. Wait. Wait, the memory usage is... Oh. Oh. It compiled. Maybe? Why is that null? Why is it null? Why does it get to why does it get here and then die? Why does it get to here and die? Do I also need to make this lazy? Because I can keep going. I can keep going. Nope, we've now just hit a loop again. That's great. Oh. So it looks like the problem is that it's just infinitely looping. So I have a solution. There. Make it so that this only works if there isn't already a B to A Wait. This is new. This is new. New error message. We're making progress. Hang on. Hang on. We're making progress. We're making some progress. This is good. This is good. We're actually making some progress. Hang on. Whoops. We're making progress. This is good. Oh! We're almost there, I think. So now I just have to figure out... Let's see. We need to figure out... Oh, I think I need to make it lazy. Because otherwise it'll just see itself, I think. Like that. That should prevent it from doing a stupid. Because that's so weird that not if I use not given here, it can see itself, which is odd. Wait. Wait. Ah, I get a big error. Get a big fat error. No, nope, that's because it's I removed that. Let's put that here again. Still got errors. What is the error now? Did it change? So invert conversion, multiply conversion, transitive conversion, IE conversion. Missing B does not mile B to meter. Mile to B to meter. Surely you should be able to figure out that I have a kilometers to mile, right? I have kilometers to mile. Surely if you invert it, right? If you can convert let's see. Kilometers, if you invert let's see. Which one is dying? So if you can invert miles to kilometer. Yeah. Wait. I'm surprised it can't find kilometer to meter. Oh, it's this is the problem. Because it sees it's... That's so weird. By name context parameters. I guess the only way that we can get inversions is through the backwards, right? So if I make this specifically backward AB, right? Which is, which extends BA, right? This should be the only, this should what if I do this, right? Where I specifically make it backward, where I, I have to think about this. Because all of these are creating forward instances, right? So what if I make... I have a bit of an idea. I have a strange idea, which may or may not help. Huh? Yeah, yes. Okay. Let's cook. Right? Oh, come on, really? I have to put braces around this? Specifically, this is looking for a forward, right? Because this is going to be the only way that we can derive. Hang on, I think we may be cooking here. There is a possibility that we may be cooking here by making all these return types as specific as possible, but we make the input types super specific, right? We make these return types as specific as we possibly can. Because all of these return forward instances, right? Mm-hmm. But the input. So what if we make inversion specifically take only forward conversions? We might be cooking here. We may. There is a chance that we are cooking here. Hang on. I think we might be cooking. I think there is a possibility that we may be cooking. Ooh, hang on. That's a much faster error. Making a transitive conversion. Hey, why are we doing a transitive conversion? Can't you just do another invert conversion here? Oh, wait, because these are all like... Let's make these more specific, right? So you just replace all these with double equals. These are all forwards, right? And the only way we can get from a backwards to a forwards... So now, we are only ever going to use backwards. So when we invert conversion, we'll only ever invert a forward conversion. So we'll only ever invert things once if needed. Now the question is, does this work? Have we cooked? Dang it! We have not cooked. But there's a couple things we can take out, right? A couple of these things that we gotta take out, that we can take out. Alright. Now that we've taken out all the lazy indicators, the question is, have we cooked? Oh. Wait, oh, come on. We've killed it again. No. No, not like this. No, he was going so well. And we've killed it. No. We were going so well. It was going so well. Let's actually remove this more complex one. Let's see if we can at least get this one compiling. Can we at least get this one to compile? Okay, that works. So it's the more complex one that doesn't work. Please. Come on. Come on. No! It's stuck again. It's stuck in a loop. It's stuck in a dupe. I think the biggest problem is that when trying to do transitive conversions, things tend to go awry and things tend to start looping. Is the problem. How do I make it so that it doesn't... How do I make it not loop? I guess we can do this. Where we do, if we do not want a not, we want a not given C C to A. Because if we have C to A, we don't want to do that because that will cause a massive infinite loop. Please, I beg you. Wait. Maybe? Maybe? Please? No? Come on? Alright, let's let that cook for a bit. Because the memory usage... Oh, it's going down. Oh, no. Going back up again. We'll let this cook. If it takes too long, I'll kill it. Oh, wait. The memory usage went down a bit. And then... Oh, then back up again. Going up again. Stabilizing. Going up again. Going up. No. I think we have to kill it. Yeah, I think we have to euthanize it. I'm sorry. Come on. I think we have to kill it. I think the other thing, no loops one, and I think we need another one. We also don't want C to B, and we also don't want a B to A. I think we need these, right? Just to prevent from looping. Please. No, it's dying again. Oh, come on. Oh, wait. Maybe. Nope, it's good. Nope. The memory usage is shooting up again. Let's put ID conversion back to here. Identity conversion back to here. We're gonna have to keep trying. This This is what it's like to do compile time programming. You just have to keep whacking the wall until it works. Oh. Oh, maybe? Nah, the memory usage is shooting up. But we'll see. Let's let this do its thing. Oh, wait, memory usage is going... Oh, never mind. It's going back up again. It's staying stable. Never mind. It's eating more memory. Ooh, maybe? 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 No, memory usage is still going up. Maybe? No? Still going? Oh! It resolved! What the hell is this? What is this? Wait, it actually managed to do the first one, which means it's the second one that's killed it. That's good, actually. I think I know the problem. Because if I do this, if any of these have been derived from a invert conversion, then these would actively prevent it, right? Which means we should make it so that we shouldn't allow forward conversions. Is that right, actually? Because let's say if we have A to B, if we have B to A, that means we can derive A to B via an inversion. That means we can derive an A to B from an inversion. I guess that means we don't want a B to A and A to B via an inversion. No. This is annoying. How do I prevent transitive conversion from looping? That is a question that I do not think I know the answer to just yet. I guess what I can do is I can move ID conversion to here, and then move transitive conversion to here. What? Why does it ask me to import that? I have the access to it. And then we remove just that. Replace that with that. We just don't want to loop from C to A, because otherwise that defeats the entire point. Right? Okay. Now that we've gotten that, now, let's hit compile once more. Alright, Scala compiler, you're up. Go do your thing. Alright. Oh. The performance is the compile time performance is horrible, but I expect the runtime performance to be quite nice. Oh, it's eating a bit more memory. We'll have to see. It took a minute last time, so let's leave this alone. Oh! 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 We're nearly there. We're very nearly there. Look at that. Hey, what? There's no type. What? What do you mean? Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. We're only missing one more value. Hang on. Let me open Notepad++ so I can look at this error message in a bit of a cleaner manner. This looks kind of fugly at the moment. What the hell is this? That's not what I copied. Okay. Oh, god damn it. There we go. So how is it looking for this? So we have multiply conversion, a transitive conversion from meter to what? From meter to mile. What the huh? That's already doomed from the beginning because A equals B. So that wait, what? Hey, you're not supposed to be doing that. Uh, let's I guess maybe I'm putting transitive conversion too early. What if I make it all the way back here, right next to invert conversion, right? So we only ever do this as a last resort. What if we go even further? What if we make a low priority 2? Yeah, let's do that actually. Where is it? Let's move you over here. So all the way down here. Oh, no, we move you over here. And now all of this above, that has nothing to do with, like, all of this, grab that, move it here. Shut up. Now let's go. So we've essentially just moved all of the... We've basically made transitive conversions the absolute lowest possible priority out of all these implicits. So it'll only ever try to find a conversion via another 2 conversions as a last resort. Come on. Come on, you can do it, compiler. You can do it. Come on, compiler, you can do it. Well, it died earlier, that's... Invert conversion, meter to mile. Meter to beta mile. Uh-huh. Wait, what? Why did it pick ID conversion? What? I would like for it to have... What the hell is this? What is this? I think it's time we move that as well to, like, right here. I think we also want to move this over here as well. You know, I just realized that there's something I forgot to do. I forgot to handle negative numbers. I forgot to make negative numbers. What is wrong with me? I think that's the reason why that second one keeps failing. Because there is one thing that I've forgotten to handle the entire time that I think is causing it to just have a minor stroke. Let's test this hypothesis. Kill the process. So what I think I've forgotten to do is to go over here. Given negative power conversion. A and N with an int. Where we have A. Where we have using N is less than 0. Where we have A to the N. Yeah. Mn. N equals int, and Mn equals M. Where N the negative of Mn. This gives us A to the N, A to the Mn. Which should equal 2 forward big decimal 1 divided by wait, hang on a minute. How do I invert? Wait, hang on a minute. How do I invert? Like if I have a to the power of 2, how do I make a to the power of -2 from it? Because that's basically 1 over square 2. Oh no, that's a problem. That's a problem. Ooh, that's a bit awkward, isn't it? That's a bit awkward. For now, let's put it as big decimal 1, and we'll figure out this issue later. To do. Change this to reciprocal. I have a feeling this is what I'm missing. I mean, I guess I can define this in a slightly different way, where if we have A and B, right? And then we have a conversion of A to B. Hmm. I might be looking at this wrong. Oh, hello. Thanks for the subscription. Um, Something's telling me this isn't quite right. I don't think you can actually do this conversion. I don't think you can have a conversion factor between A to the N. And can you do a conversion from A to the... Converting... No, because if I do it... Because that's essentially covered by this, right? Hmm. Now I'm curious, actually. What would the ideal pathway be to finding the conversion? Let's actually explore that quickly. So we have meters per second squared. What did I just do? Oh, yeah, we have meters per second squared. Now you want to turn this to miles per hour second. Miles per hour second. So ideally, what we want to do is we want to convert this to meters per second second. Convert the meters to miles per second second. And then convert one of the seconds into hours, so you get miles per hour second. Or, we take the other path. Or we take the alternative pathway and do... There's two paths to this is the problem. There's an alternate pathway where instead you do... Which splits at here. Meters per second second. There's a couple of them, actually. You could do... Convert to miles per second second. And then... Do... Directly... Well, actually, no, from meters per second second, that's where the path splits. You can then instead do... meters per hour second. So this is the ideal pathway into finding the conversion from meters per second squared into miles per hour second. Um, hmm. I don't actually need a negative power handler. Because negatives should kind of stay in their own lane, so to speak. What was I doing? I moved something somewhere, didn't I? Yeah, I moved ID next all the way up there. Yeah, because this... Hang on. Let me check something. Yeah, it's just L times R to the power of -1. So R in this case is hour times second. So the whole thing becomes R becomes hour times second to the power of -1, which can be expanded to form. Do I have expand brackets? I think I have expand brackets. Yeah, which can be formed to wait, what? This isn't expand brackets. This is resolve brackets. I don't think I have an expand. No, I do have an expansion. I have an expansion defined here. A times b to the power of n can be changed into a to the n times b to the n. Hmm. I think the problem actually is my anti-loop variable is preventing a bunch of stuff. But if I remove that, it also leads to a bunch of looping, if I'm not mistaken. Let's maybe if I remove the anti-loop variable, the anti-loop given, maybe. I'll come back to this in just a second. I am just going to plop this on my screen so I can watch it go. And I need to quickly do something. Wait, that actually finished compiling. Well, I mean, it errored, but that finished compiling. Both given instance ID conf and given instance power1 isomorphism. Ooh, okay. Ooh, that's a good sign. That's a good sign, actually, that it's finishing compiling. That's a really good sign. Hit it one more time, then. Let's hit that one more time. Let that do its thing. Give me a second. Man, I thought I was onto something there. Wait, the memory usage isn't going up though. The memory usage isn't going up. There is a chance that this might work. As slim as it is, there is a chance that it may work. Um, I'll just let it do its thing then. I'll just let it cook. Ooh, my computer is really chugging though. The rest of my computer is absolutely chugging. I think if I want to look at other things while waiting for this, I'll just have to use this other screen that I have up that I'm currently watching chat in. Oh, it's using the CPU again. Maybe. Oh, no, the memory usage is still going up. Oh, wait, no, it's going down. Every time the memory usage goes slightly down, I'm always excited that it's making progress and it's like going back up from its massive tree of computations. I just got that's nope. Oh my no way. No way. It died. I killed the compiler, guys. I've killed it. It's dead. Oh my god, I killed the compiler. Let's go. The compiler is dead. The compiler is dead. I think it needs more memory. Let's give it more memory. This is a terrible idea. Oh my god, we killed the compiler. It died. Compiler dead. Compiler was killed. Where were you when Scala 3 compiler died? Don't say you were eating Doritos. When you received the phone call that the Scala compiler died. Let's try it with more memory. How much memory did I give it again? 8,100 and... Oh. Memory usage has shot up. I think we might be in an infinite loop again. Dang it, we were doing so well. We were doing so well. No, we were doing so well. Actually, where did invert go? Oh, it's here. We were doing so well. We got error messages and now we're no longer getting error messages. We're... No. What if... Then we don't even need the isomorphism. The power 1 isomorphism. Come on, compiler. What? It worked? No way it worked. There's no way. That was it? Oh! Why can't it find main? What happened to main? Did we do it? Hang on, hang on. Wait, Wolfram Alpha, Wolfram Alpha. Where's Wolfram Alpha? 1 meters per second squared. 1,609.34 meters per second squared to miles per hour second. Yes! It works! It lives! Let's go! It lives! We got it! It's working! It's working! It's alive! It's alive! We've converted meters per second squared into miles per hour second! Let's go! And that was really quick to compile as well once we got all the givens to line up. It works! That was all I needed. All I needed was this, and I just removed the power of 1 isomorphism, which was causing issues. Oh my god. And I just moved the transitive conversion down there just so it, you know, has less chance of looping, and also make the invert conversion only take forward conversion so that we don't get weird mix-ups. It works! I can't believe it! It's alive! It's alive! It's alive! Oh my god, that shouldn't have taken so fucking long. Oh my god, that was... It works. I can also write this in the exact same... I can also do this, right? Where I just do this. That actually compiled super quickly, too. Like, that's the cool part. It actually compiled really quickly, right? Like, if I think I can also do the expanded form, right? Or if I just do, let's clear all this. Run it. Does this work? Oh. I celebrated too soon, it looks like. Ah. It looks like I may have celebrated a little too soon. It looks like I do actually need that, Hang on, does it work if I just do this, for example? If I just do the first one, does it print out? Does it just work? Or maybe it just takes ages to begin with. No, that only took 10 seconds, but yeah, no, that only took 10 seconds, but this one never finished compiling. But when I add this, I don't think it finished compiling, so I don't want to clean compile. I just want to compile the main. I think we might have to go back to the drawing board. I think there is one isomorphism that I do need to write. There is a negative isomorphism that I need to write. No, two, actually. Yeah. It looks like there are two negative isomorphisms that I need to write. And that should fix it. So the ones that I need to write are the following. Let's do them up here, right? Just to make it so that they run ASAP. That being. Okay, the expand units can also be, yeah, you can also run expand units to go backwards, right? Yeah, I have expand units L and expand units R. Wait. I've just realized these will conflict with each other, so I just need expand units. I don't need expand units R. I just need expand units, and it'll be able to do it, and it'll be able to go back and forth from here. So the other isomorphism that I need is the following. Given a negative power iso, where we have a and n, which is an int, and we want to, using n is greater than 1 in this case. A to the power of the negation of n should be isomorphic to a a to the power of n to the power of -1. Alright, fine, I'll use negate n. This is for n greater than 1. The other one is the version that is only for 1. So for when n equals 1. Do I need this actually? Actually, no, that I don't even need that one. I just need this one. I only need this. Let's move this isomorphism next to ID. I don't need that import. Okay, so now that should be able to find a way So this should be able to find a way via that isomorphism, right? Because meters per second to the power of -2 can then be converted to meters per second squared to the power of -1, which can then be expanded a couple of times until it finds the shape. Now I could be wrong, but let's take a look. So the pathway that I'm expecting is something along the lines of, let me how would I visualize this? 1 minute. How would I visualize this? Okay, so the thing so the conversion path that I am hopefully trying to get is, at least once I manage to get this window in the correct place. 1 second. Can I? No, stop, don't do that. This is such a scuffed way of doing it. Hang on. Yeah. So the pathway that I'm expecting it to take is something along the lines of this, right? Where we have meters per second. So we have meters per second squared, which we have written as meters second -2, and our target is to get to miles hour -1, second -1. So the pathway that I wanted to take is to go to meters per second squared -1, which then gets turned into meters second -1, and then that gets expanded to meters second -1, second -1, and then we turn it to meters hour -1, seconds -1, and then meters to miles, using, whatever steps it wants, right? So that's the pathway I wanted to take, except the problem is I don't know if it's actually smart enough to find that pathway. Yeah, I don't know if it's smart enough to find that pathway. Especially since it seems to be getting stuck. So I am going to terminate the process and see what I can do about that. So let's just get rid of this. So that's the pathway I wanted to take, but it doesn't seem to be able to find its way there. So this is going to take a second to figure out how we make it find that pathway. So I've provided it with, where the hell are you? I provided it with this negative power isomorphism for values of n greater than 1, because if it's already to the power of -1, you don't really need to do much with it, right? Expand expression, no. Hmm. Maybe we want to do this eagerly? Maybe we want to do this eagerly. In order to, like, remove it, right? Because then we could just... To the power 2 to the power minus 1. You don't need to do anything there. Uh-huh. So you convert that to... So you convert that to meters per second. Meters times second to the power of... Times second to the power of minus 1. Can it not figure out how to like coalesce everything back? I don't think it... I think the problem is that it doesn't know how to coalesce things. So, like, it doesn't know how to expand brackets. I don't think it knows how to put the brackets back together is the thing. We have this, but we don't have... No, it should, because if we have a to the power of minus 1 times b to the power of minus 1, it should be able to figure out... It really should be able to figure out that this can be coalesced into hours times second to the power of minus 1. Surely, right? It should be able to figure that out. Surely it should be able to figure that one out, right? Because expand units, right? This goes from the example of... You know, I'm starting to think that this isn't actually the way I think it is. Yeah, give me a minute. Let's get rid of Let's remove that. Let's also remove C. Don't need that. What I can do instead is... Let's just make this a proper isomorphism. That's the expanded form. What we need is the other form. What we need is the condensed form, which is A times equals B. A times B. Need more brackets. Yeah, that looks right. I think that's a much better isomorphism than what we're doing. Let's just quickly make sure that this old one still works. It should take a couple seconds. I forgot to turn that into big decimal of 1. Yep, that compiles. So now let's get rid of this. Okay. Come on. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. I believe in you, Scala compiler. You can do it. No, the memory usage is going up. The memory usage is shooting up. Come on, Scala compiler. I believe in you. You can do this. Come on, you can do this. Please, I beg you. Come on, Scala compiler, you can do it. You can do it, please. Please. Surely it should be able to find a multiply conversion. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on, you can do it. You can do it, Scala compiler. No, it can't do it. It's stuck. It's dead. It died. Again. Kill it. Kill it. Ugh, what a shame. Do we not have an expand? I'm surprised it's yeah, I'm really surprised that it can't figure it out. I was expecting it to take the isomorphism. So you have times second times second. Yeah, a to the power of minus 2 should then be converted to a to the power of 2 to the power of a to the power of to the minus 1. And then I expect it to then use this isomorphism to go from meters to go to meters times second all to the power minus 1. And then I was also expecting it to use oh my god, I've just realized something really stupid. This is supposed to be how? How did that make it past? Oh, wait, no. Wait, no, this is correct, this is correct. How did that make it past me? I did not see that. Are you kidding me? Uh, where's my mod actions? No, I can't do anything. Ugh. Fine. I'll do it myself. And get killed, idiot. Hmm. Why can't it figure it out? That's so weird. This is also having a minor stroke for some reason. Hmm. I think I know the problem. I think. This is actually conflicting. Yeah, this negative power ISO is actually conflicting with an existing thing. It's conflicting with resolve brackets. Where did my SBT shell go? Oh, there we go. Get banned, idiot bot. Hmm. Nope, the memory usage is shooting up again. No, it still can't figure it out. Why can't you figure it out? Uh, ID con note summon note. What the hell is it trying to do? What the actual hell is this thing trying to do? This is probably outdated, I think. Yeah, no, we've already hit 2 gigabytes and no progress has been made. It's dead again. Alright, let me try something super quickly. What if instead of defining it like this, what if I define it like that, right? What if I do that? Can you figure it out now? Surely it's just a simple, it's just a simple task of just changing one of the seconds into hours and then changing one of the meters into, and then changing meters into miles. Surely it can figure that out. I've already written it in a much more easier form that it should be able to figure out. Surely you can figure this one out. Yeah, that one was easy for it. And these should result in 3,600 for both. Yes, okay. So why can't it figure it out the moment I collapse the seconds into meters per second squared? Why can't you figure that out now? But then when I collapse this into meters per second squared, it suddenly is completely unable to do so. Maybe there's some like conflicting rules or something. Or like rules that are like treading on each other's toes. Let's take a look. Oh. Hold on a minute. No. Never mind. This is fine. Yeah, no, this is fine. There's nothing wrong with expand units. Expand units is fine. Resolve is fine. Expand position 2 is fine. Exp. Hmm. Exp pause R. Exp Xpos R, huh? No, that's fine. Xpos R, Xpos L, Xpos 2. No, those are fine. ID conversion, no, I think that's fine. That should be fine. ID conversion, transitive conversion, invert conversion, expand units, left mode convert. Maybe. Let's see. Hide this again. Oh, I forgot to kill the other instance. Whoops. Oh no, I haven't. It's just sitting there. Yeah, that compiles. But now, what if? Hmm. Nope, that memory usage is shooting up quite far. We're already on 1 gigabyte, 1.12 gigabytes. 1.13. Okay, no, this is not working. I think mult conversion is mulconv is doing some stuff. Because this is a D7K. Let's actually move this up here with... Let's just move you right next to transitive conversion. How about that then? Let's just make sure that the other one still compiles. If I just quickly hide that one. Wait for this to show up. Stop. Compile server. Okay, we are here. Hit that compile. You should compile perfectly fine, I hope. What? Wait, what? Okay, there we go. Compiling in 4 seconds. That was easy. And now we unhook that. Hit that compile button. Please. Please. Please, I beg you. You can do this. Please. Please. Wait. It highlighted. Wait. Please. 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 Come on, you can figure it out. Oh, come on. No. Fine. Kill it. Did I kill the wrong process? I killed the wrong process. I killed the wrong process. I'm actually stupid. I killed the wrong process. No. Alright, hear me out. What if I just move all of these up here? Hear me out. So you can stay right there. Hear me out, right? What if I put them up here? Just so that we deal with the brackets as early as possible. Let's first make sure that this first one still compiles. Compile, 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 come on. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, it compiled. That's good. Now let's uncomment that and see. Do you compile? Come on. Come on. I believe in you. Come on. Come on. Please. I'll let it cook. I'll let it cook. Because it could take like maybe a minute. Maybe more. I'll let it cook. Let the compiler cook. It might just serve us a really excellent bit of... Wait. It highlighted, but the question is, does it compile? The memory usage is actually staying pretty stable. It hasn't blown up. That's a good sign. No, it's gone up again. No, it's really going up. Come on. Come on, compiler. I trust you. You can cook. Please. Please, you can do it. No, it's looping. What is it looping on? What is it looping on? I don't understand. I don't understand. No. No, it's not working. No. Okay. So I have a dumb idea, right? I have a feeling that resolve brackets is eating a lot of time. Why? This is because it's trying to find a pair of ints that multiply to 2. No, wait, no, that can't be it. No. Oh, this is so bad. Okay, I don't think this is going to I don't think I currently have the brain power to be able to figure out what the hell is happening with all of this. So yeah, I think I'm just going to have to stop here because my brain is beginning to hurt. Like, I can do these conversions on paper relatively easily, but trying to do them in... Where did my stylus go? But trying to do them in... Here is actual pain. So let's just finish up. Is there anybody around for me to... Actually, I don't think there's anybody around even still. That's like I can... Yeah, no one's here. That's fine. I'll just stop here.